Hi, welcome to KlinKode My PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to sort payment methods at Shopify checkout using PayRules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now, add any condition. Give a rule name as Sort Payment Methods. Now go to the Rule settings and tick the Sort checkbox. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button. Add the payment method which you want to put in the top, and in the order number box set number 1. For example, here I select Bank Deposit. Finally, click on the Save button. Go to the checkout page and check it. As you can see, the payment method name has been successfully sorted. That's it. Simple way to sort payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!